my little, you know what I'm saying? My little.
Do the same like thing that you did when you were like this with them. Like,
okay, I gotta move up these really so I can get them on.
Yep. I thought this is when you go to. We gotta find you like a cool 5 and rotate. Like a cool 5 poses and rotate. See?
That's so cute though. What was another one that they had? In the chair. Oh, I have the chair. Friends over. Friends over. Should I do one with the pants off or down?
Oh shit. Nah, do pants on right now and then we'll switch it again. Okay.
Oh, yeah, look away. Don't move. Oh, that's not don't move. Don't move.
Look up or down?
Look up. Now look down.
Ooh, that is so cute. I love them.
These shit are different. These shit are different. No, these are hard. Oh, this one's hard too. Alright, you can take the things out now. And then we'll do those without it. And then put it out.
Y'all like this one?
But not too late. I have a book at 6 p.m. as well as 1. Sorry, I want some, okay.
Which, how do you
Nah, go ahead. Don't move. I can't look at it. Put your right arm in a little bit more. Your right arm? No, you can still put it down. Just put it close to your right.
Hair behind my shoulder?
Yeah. Like, you know what I mean? Like,
right, it'd be like
just leg,
body,
just,
and then it'd be like, I mean, whole picture
whole
and then
picture
body.
Body parts, yeah. That static look is crazy.
What?
Where you just like, you're like,
I was like, oh no, I look cute.
you're
I be
action. Like action. Hold it. Alright, 45.
45? Okay, well, we can take a couple. Look at that bitch. I was here at my house.
Alright, pull them, like hold them. Don't tell, hold them side. Now turn your torso in towards a little bit. Back right there.
Which way?
Back a little right there. So it's like a little bit. There you go. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Calf strength is good.
Okay, I think I ran out of photos with this outfit. Yeah, poking, because I'm going to have to fix that. Editly.